Hello students, how are you all? Myself Hina Soni, your English teacher is here with a complete explanation of your lesson 1, Tansen, the magical musician. In this presentation, you will find the original pages of your first lesson of literature book, the explanation of these pages and the important point and its meaning. At the end, you will find the exercises which you have to note down in your classwork copy. So let's start. Student, this is the first page of your lesson. I know you all like music and me too. Our first lesson, Tansen, the magical musician, is also about the famous musician Tansen. Tansen was one of the greatest musicians that ever lived. He was born in a wealthy poet family of Mukund Mishra in Gwalior. He had created famous style of music known as the Gwalior Gharana. As Tansen grew up, his father engaged teachers to teach him to read and write. Tansen, however, was more interested in going to the nearby forest with his friends where he would imitate birds and animal sounds. Imitate word means to copy. Once, a group of singers with their leader, famous music teacher Haridas, were passing through the forest. By hearing the Tansen's imitated tiger voice, he got very impressed and he offered to take Tansen as his disciple. Student, disciple means student. This is the second page of your lesson. For almost 10 years, Tansen studied music from Haridas and learned the basic of singing and playing musical instrument. He learned about the different ragas of Indian music and how each raga creates a different mood. By obeying his father's wish, under great musician Muhammad Ghaus, he developed his musical talent for 3 years. During that time, Muhammad Ghaus introduced Tansen to the ruler of Gwalior. They became very good friends. From there, he got offer from King Ramchandra of Reva to be the musician at his court. This was a great honor and the first step in Tansen's rise to fame. The Mughal Emperor Akbar once went on a visit to Reva. King arranged Tansen musical presentation to entertain his royal guest. The emperor was greatly impressed by Tansen's music and soon after return he requested Ramchandra to send Tansen to his court. Students, King Ramchandra did not want to part with Tansen, but he could not afford to displease the powerful Akbar. This is page number 14 of your book. And now I am explaining it. Akbar was so impressed by Tansen's music that he bestowed on him the highest honor and included him among his Navratna. Student, bestowed word means to give something to show respect. Student, Navratna is a Hindi word. It means 9 gems, the 9 most outstanding talent of the royal court. There are many stories about the power of Tansen music. When Tansen sang, birds and animals would gather to hear him. Gather means to collect. This is 15 number page of your book. Now I am explaining it. Once, some Akbar's courtiers stole the necklace given as a gift to the Tansen by Akbar. When the courtiers told Akbar that Tansen had sold his gifted necklace to earn a large sum of money, Akbar banished Tansen from the court. Student, banish means to order somebody to leave a place as a punishment. To come out of this problem, he went to King Ramchandra and told him the whole story. He presented his jeweled sandals to Tansen. Tansen placed these jeweled sandals in front of Emperor Akbar and requested him to take the diamond from the sandals and forgive him. The emperor immediately realized that he had misjudged Tansen and returned his post in the court as a royal musician. Student, even after this also, Tansen enemies grew more jealous. They suggested the emperor that he would command Tansen to sing Deepak Raga to know his talent. Student, Deepak Raga was one of the most difficult raga to sing. Besides, so much heat would be caused by the perfect rendering of this raga that not only would lamps alight, but even the singer's body too would burn to ashes. Emperor would not listen any of Tansen's plea and ordered him to sing Deepak Raga. This is page number 16 of your lesson. And now I am starting the explanation of it. To save himself, he requested Rupa to sing Megharaga, which bring rain. Student, she was a very good musician and disciple of Haridas. He gave her training to sing Deepak Rag for 15 days. On the day of performance, when Tansen sang Deepak Raga in front of the people in the court, the surrounding air got warmer. The audience started perspiring. Leaves and flowers in the garden dried and fell on the ground. Water in the fountain began to boil. The lamps lit up and flames appeared in the air. People fled from the court in the terror. This is your last page of the lesson. Now Tansen's body was hot and feverish, but he was totally absorbed in singing Deepak Raga and continued to sing. To pacify means to control the situation, Rupa sang Megharaga. Student, Megharaga is a raga which can bring rain. Soon the rain came pouring down and everything returned to normal. People showered praises on Tansen's genius. Tansen's fame now spread like flames of Deepak Raga. Centuries later, Tansen's music has lived on. It has been passed on from guru to disciple, means teacher to student. And every year in Gwalior, near Tansen's tomb, a music festival is held. Musicians come here from all over the India to perform and pay homage to Tansen. Now, this is the time to note down the exercises which you have to write in your classwork copy. First of all, you have to write all the material which is given to you in your first worksheet. Now, the extra exercises are, first exercise is fill in the blanks. You have to search out the answer of the given fill in the blanks from the description by reading the lesson and understanding it. Number 1. Haridas offered to take Tansen as his blank. King Ramchandra did not want to blank the powerful Akbar. As Rupa's voice grew stronger, the sky became dashed with clouds. Rupa was already a very good. Here the blank is. King Ramchandra did not want to part with. Here you have to write the answer. Now take the correct answer. Once the group of singers were passing through the forest or village or city. Tansen studied under Muhammad Ghaus for 5 years, 3 years or 2 years. Third number, as Tansen grew up, his father engaged teacher to teach him to learn drawing, to read and write or to do writing. Fourth one, King Ramchandra presented to Tansen his jewel necklace or crown or sandals. This is your last exercise, Tansen biography. Note down and learn it. Tansen was born in Gwalior as a son of Mukund Mishra, who was a poet. As a young child, he learned music from the famous teacher of his time, Haridas, and then from Muhammad Ghaus. He first served as a court musician of the king Ramchandra of Rewa and then of the Emperor Akbar. He was honored as one of the Navratna, nine gems at the court of Emperor Akbar. He performed miracles through his music. He is supposed to have the ability of creating rain by singing Megharaga and creating fire by singing Deepak Raga. He was one of the greatest musicians of the time ever lived. Student, stay fit and healthy, and here I'm ending my lesson. Thank you.